Hey guys, so the most common problem we have with our Chromebooks is broken screens. So really quickly, I'm going to show you how to change out a broken Chromebook screen. Let's get started. So to get started, you want to make sure that you have all of the equipment that you need. You want to make sure you have your screwdriver with the correct bit. You want to make sure that you have your pry tool and tweezers just in case, and your replacement screen. So you want to start by making sure that the Chromebook is powered off for now. And you want to take your pry tool and very gently, you're going to pry the casing around the edge. Once you have it started, take your fingers and very gently slide around the edge. And you tilt the screen back just a little bit and pull the casing off. Then you want to get your screwdriver. You're going to remove the 4 screws that are holding on the screen. Once you have the 4 screws removed, you want to very carefully lift the screen and just lay it forward. Now you have this connector right here. If you have fingernails, you can simply put your fingernail underneath the little piece that has it clipped on there. My fingernails are not so good, so I'm going to take the tweezers and I'm going to pop that little piece up. Be very careful not to damage the connector in any way. You're going to very gently pull it away. And set your broken screen off to the side, and you grab your replacement screen, flip it over, take the connector, line it up, and very gently insert the connector, and then you want to make sure that the clasp is pressed down all the way. And you're going to put the screen back up. Make sure that it is aligned properly. If you want to check your work before you put the screws back in and you put the edging back on, you can now go ahead, turn on the Chromebook. And once you are satisfied that your screen is working and in good order, you can go ahead, replace all 4 screws. Then you can put your edge piece back on. You want to be very careful when you're snapping this back into place, because if you press too hard, you can crack your screen. So you want to be very careful. Make sure you get it on there securely, but don't break the screen. And there you have it. And you have now replaced a broken Chromebook screen.